Hello, hello, my friends. Nice to see you. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Hello, G Drum. Hello, hello. Nice to see you all. Welcome, welcome, my friends. Nice to see you. Welcome to one more New York Live Open. Nice to see you all. I hope that you all had a fantastic weekend. Of course, our beloved friend, the Mr. President, again stated something. I hope that the markets are going to react normally and that we are not going to have any weird stuff going around. Hello, 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 Luis. Hello, PGA. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. Nice now that times are back to being aligned. Yeah, thankfully from from this weekend. Also, Europe has aligned with the power saving changes, so everything is lined up again. Let's go quickly to the charts. Hello, Grace. Hello, Gracie. Nice to see you. Good afternoon. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Let's go quickly to the charts and see what's going on. This is the September low that price has taken over here from yesterday. We are seeing a small reaction. Of course, this is logical. Why it is logical? Because, my beloved friends, always we expect when a certain low is be taken that it is a huge liquidity point. Of course, we always expect reaction from it, and in this situation, yes, it happened. We had a reaction from this low. So let's go and see what is going on intraday. Of course, the 1 hour remains bearish. Look where price has reacted from this bearish order block. So this means that, of course, price remains bearish. Price from this created a new lower low, so we are having a supply chain. But in order to say that we are going for sure to have a reaction, we need to see this bearish order block to be broken. Of course, from an even lower perspective, we can't forget that price, as you see, has formed today a bullish expansion model. Let me erase these levels so they don't annoy us. Okay, we have a bullish expansion model that is showing us that we are probably we are going to have a bullish day. Of course, we will wait for the first half an hour, the first part of our edge to form, and then we are going, of course, to wait for the DR to align, and of course, plan for our trades. Okay, let's. How is everyone doing? Tell me your news. Hello. Monica, nice to see you. Good morning also. Nice to see you. Hello. Welcome. Nice to see you. Let me erase this also. I believe that there is no need. Let's draw, of course, this New York DR level from our previous session. Of course, I won't lie to you guys that if we see price take the highest level of yesterday's New York DR, we will be concerned that we will probably see a reversal. Of course, it is also the previous daily high over here, so we will be aware, of course. All good here, says Luis. I grabbed a quick 29.5 points and got out on time before this drop. Whoa. Well done. Hello, Maxi. Hello, my friend. Hello. I'm so proud of you, Maxi. I'm so proud of you because I read what you wrote in my chat. Whoever doesn't know, Maxi is a good friend of mine from the community. And my friend Maxi, I'm so happy for you that you can't imagine, and I will explain to you why. because now, my friend, you are becoming a true trader. And I mean this. In my eyes, now you are becoming a true trader, and all of this because you are discovering what a true edge means. Of course, you are in the best way, and I'm very happy that what I say over here helps you in general. Now, into your main edge, you are adding, my beloved friend, you are adding more points, more personal points, and this makes you even more lethal. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the hard work. Keep up. Hello, my friend Hamzis. Hello, how are you? How's it going? Hello. Welcome, my friend. Nice to see you. And my friend Yorgos from Greece. Hello. Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. Yorgos is also a very good friend of mine. Thanks for joining, my beloved friend. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Okay. Well, you're welcome, Maxi. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome. Hamsi says always good, but bit busy, but good. Okay, my friend. The most important is that you are for sure in your top of your form. And what I mean by that is that, my friend, when we have a lot of things to do, that means that we are very active, and we are active in general in our life. So that is good. That is good. We are opening. We see how our price look. I had a long time to see a retirement setup, to be honest. I had a really long time to see a retirement setup. You see price, look where it reacted from, to the tick, to the lower London DR. Never broke, of course, keeping the true rule of DR valid. And of course, this could be a huge trade. Now the opening is quite weird, I would say. So we will be patient, as I always say. We always must wait the first 30 minutes. You all remember the edge that I shared with all of you, the first half an hour opening range. Whoever wants to go and see this, there is a playlist in our channel. You can go. I have a free 8 master classes that everyone can go and see. And because of this, and whatever we do for you guys, and if you are enjoying what we are doing in general, please hit the button, hit the like button. It means a lot, and you help us way more than you believe. Of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and enable all notifications so you can know when we are going live, my friends. And of course, whoever is interested, link in the description, and somewhere up here, yes, up here, trdfloor.com, the link to the website of TTF. Of course, a huge bundle of products that you can get. Don't forget, my friends, automated or journal, webhook courses, unlimited courses on so many concepts. Of course, the most supportive Discord community in the trading space, in my opinion. And I can't forget the Honors Your Learn program, that it is almost the most easy way for any new traders, and when they are in the learning curve, with almost daily trading ideas to help you earn some profits extra beside your normal trading. Hello, Carolis. Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. News in 25 minutes. Okay, PGA. Thank you for informing us. We indeed have news. Yes, you're right. Job openings. You're right, my friend. You're right. 10 o'clock exactly. 10 o'clock exactly. We must be aware. Price is looking absolutely amazing, says our friend Hamzis. Ham cheese has the holy grail, my friends. Ham cheese knows what's going behind the scene. We trust him because he knows what will happen. He has proved to us so many times that he knows what he is doing. Okay, let's see. Interesting, although here price we believe that it will explode. Now it is, as we can, it is retracing a little bit, but okay. I still haven't found a solution. I don't know why my chats are being translated. I don't know why this happens. I will have to ask ChatGPT after we finish the stream. I'm not that so good. No, you are, my friend. Why? Why you aren't? You are very good. You are very good, my friend. You are very good. At least from what I have seen, you are very good. We must never, how can I say? We must never, how can I say this? We must never not disappoint. We always must believe that we are very, very successful and important. Underestimate. Yes, exactly, my friend George. Exactly, my friend. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much. Never doubt yourself. Exactly. The potential that each of us has, my friends, is unbelievable. And I mean this. If I asked myself before 7 years that I began trading, I would never believe that I would be able to achieve all of these things. For sure, there must always be room for improvement, but we must always look back and understand how much we have improved and how much progress we have in everything. Hello, Algo 2.0. Nice to see you, mate. Welcome. Good morning, my friend. Good afternoon, basically, because I know Algo 2.0 is in Europe also. Yorgo says, I know this word as I know my pocket. Exactly, my friend. I know. Trust in you, my beloved friend. Trust in yourself. And I mean this, my friend George. Trust what you are capable to do, and you won't be disappointed. Just believe in you. Yes, red folder news in 20 minutes. Yes, we saw. We have Job Jolts, 10 a.m. exactly. So we will be careful. Thanks for reminding us, my friend Hamziz. Well, accepting that there is potential to improve is also important. Yes, of course. We always try, of course, to improve. Of course, we must never be rest upon what we have achieved until now. We always have improvements to do. Always. So, I'm very, very interested to see what will happen. We have almost 15 minutes inside from the opening. Would expect price to show its hand now. Now exactly. Okay, let's see. I hope that you are not also a believer of the 369, my friend Hamsis. 9 and 4, 13 and 3, 16, 6, 1, 7. Okay, 6, 7. 6, 7. No. Okay, I hope that you are not this kind of guys. Are you, my friend Hamsis? Algo 2.0 says, I'm pretty sure that he is not. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay, perfect. No, I don't do 369. Okay. Mathematically, that's too subjective. Yes, I agree. For sure, I agree. For sure, I agree, my friend Ham Cheese. I'm sure that. And also, by the way, Algo 2.0, I saw your tag. I'm also very proud for you, also, my beloved friend Algo. I'm happy that you have understood that real trading is hidden in data, in proven patterns that repeat themselves through the time. And when I say that I'm proud of you, I'm very proud of you because I see from what you shared with us in the community that you have understood this very well. Trust me, you are in the best path you have been from your beginning in your trading. It doesn't matter, my beloved friend, if you're trading ICT or you're trading whatever you're trading. You have found that if you have a certain way to establish either your bias, if you want to see this pattern happen, repeat yourself each time, then you will be successful. This is the path you must go. Okay, you must follow. This is the path, my friend. Because trying to guess and to play God predicting the future isn't real trading, my friends. Remember what I have said to you multiple times. Do you believe that Goldman Sachs traders are trading based on predicting where price will go, or based on a certain levels or certain patterns that repeat themselves the last 20 or 30 years? Think about it a little bit. PGA says today is the last day of the month, so I expect big swings in NAS and US 30. Yes, for sure. I also believe this. We will be, of course, careful and patient for sure. Maxi says, I agree. Algo 2.0 has done something amazing and he will continue to do it. So, yeah, I agree. I'm so proud of him and I mean it. I'm so proud of him. Algo says the model I am developing at the moment is going to be my swing model for accounts that allow keeping for longer than 1 day. For example, FTMO. Well done, my friend, and I mean this, well done. Even if this model is proven, you can find the same model also in the lower time frames. Trust me, certain movements, certain levels are being respected even in the lower time frames. With the only thing that we must do is to see them and see by ourselves that they work along the time. Louis says, if you are thinking it will be a bullish market, would you consider placing a limit order for a long around 23,500? No, my friend, for sure no, my beloved friend Louis. From the moment that I didn't take this trade over here, where price was respecting the upper side of London DR, then either I will wait for price to respect it again and probably take a trade towards this direction, or I will simply wait for a basic trading plan after the confirmation. Algo is talking to Ham Cheese. I have some interesting findings on price ranges with time context. First half of New York AM and PM session high and low work as well as liquidity sources. Okay, but not the full one. Okay. Jasniol, hello, my friend. I have along from London. Whoa, mate. Well done, my friend. Well done. Well done. Be careful. In 10 minutes, we have news. Be careful, please. Be careful. My friends, please don't forget, whoever is enjoying what we are doing over here, please hit the like button. You help us as you can't imagine how much you help us, and it doesn't cost you anything to hit the like button. Of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and enable all notifications so you can know when we are going live on YouTube. Of course, whoever is interested to be part of TTF, link in the description, trdfloor.com. Price is flying, and if my friend Louis had his limit order, he has already taken 20 points. He has already taken 50 points. Ah, thanks. Okay. Okay. Have you moved your surplus to break? Louis is asking our friend Zasniol if he is break even. Maxi says, if someone of you guys looked at what I posted today, you can see it play out exactly right now. Hamsi says, well, some price ranges are statistically more probable, but they change every day and can be anticipated which one will be utilized. But that's the difference between stats and the logic behind stats. Well, of course, it is very, very important to understand the data. I agree with you at one point, Hamsis, but trust me, if you see serious trading plans, they are plans based on certain price range and certain levels that work for the last at least 30 years, my beloved friend. And I mean what I'm saying. You can, if you research, you will understand completely what I exactly see. I understand what you're saying. I understand that always the market changes, but it doesn't change so much that some fundamentals and some certain things work repeatedly all the time. It's almost too good to be true. Yes, perfect. I'm so happy for you, Max, as I said. I'm so happy. Louis, he posted it in my channel, in my private live, in my private channel in Discord, my friend. That's where he posted. Of course, whoever wants to be able to see the post that happened in in the whole Discord, link in the description, trdfloor.com. Trust me, it is the most supportive Discord community in the whole trading space, and I mean this. And I mean this. Price is magically reacting from this level. Magic. Let's see if magic will continue. As I said, these levels, my friends, these levels are not, we cannot predict what will happen at these levels, but only that something happens at this level and this small reaction means that these levels are valid. Why? Because I have said multiple times, these are the levels where the algo and the market make, the liquidity providers decide where they want to send and execute, where they want to send price and execute their orders. We will never know where price will go. We don't have this ability. The only ability we have is to find the places where price is going to react. Haha, Maxi says, whoever wants to see my post has to come into this community. Exactly. That's true, my friend. That's true. Hamsi is true. What I said does not determine that. The logic is still objective, which one will be utilized. Yes, exactly. Exactly, ham cheese. And as I said, always many things are so much subjective, because something that we must for sure give to Mr. ICT and to all his very successful students is that ICT the founder was the founder of giving names to certain levels and certain things happening around the markets. He gave the understanding around things and areas that we see where we see things happening. And we are very, very thankful to him for this, of course. What's the name of the channel? I can't find it. Where if you go to live streamers, you will see over there is a bubble that says AlexTzeigk. So you will find my channel. If you press the three dots at the right up corner and you follow the channel, you will have it on your left side of the Discord, and you will see it as a channel. Go to live streamers chat. Ham Cheese says, example, ice cream and chocolate. Sales will be different. Chocolate will have a higher percentage to be sold, but when looking at the logic, ice cream might be more probable when it's a hot day. Yes, exactly. I understand the logic. Of course, this is a factor though. This is a fact. What you just said is a fact because it is known that ice is cold, and in a hot day we need to how can I say it? We need to drop our temperature, but in the markets we don't know because we don't have access, of course, to the true order book, so we don't have anything fact in the markets. The only thing that we have for sure in fact is for sure time. Time is for sure a fact that we can never stop thinking about. You found it. Perfect. PGA says gold up. Whoa. What is... Okay. 1.4%. Silver is 4% up, but it is falling right now. We are seeing a small pullback. Let's see if price is going to hold. I found it. Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome. Hamsi says just realizing why something is utilized at specific times can make a model statistically more probable. I agree with that 2000%. Not only 5,000%. I agree with this observation. I agree 2000%. Cool down. Yeah, cool down. Yes, exactly. Z-Drum. Thank you, mate. Cool down. Yeah. Cool down. Exactly. Exactly. Market is looking very clean today. The 30-minute opening range is looking awesome as well. The only thing is that we are in between multiple levels, both above and below current price. Well, something that I have learned to read a long time now, based exclusively as a DR trader, when we are seeing these are the previous DR levels of this week, okay, but when we are seeing price respecting the levels and making a stairs towards the upside, then we can add this to its order flow. Okay, to this order flow. So it's using it like stairs to go up, 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 respect, break, respect. So I can't wait anything else to see but for price to just explode. Of course, now that we're going to have news in 30 seconds, we will probably see a pullback. Some of these levels might be respected, and then we will search for our entry towards the upside. This is what I'm expecting. Of course, we are just trying to guess what will happen. Thanks for reminding us. Algo. Thank you. Hamtsies, I believe I'm looking at 23,600 and 23,725 as targets. No financial advice, obviously. Yes, for sure. Thanks for giving us 235, 600. Okay. And okay. Why not? Why not? Let's see what will happen. News release. Let's see what will happen. Yes, I'm only interested in longs anyways, but a deeper retracement would make a lot of sense to me. I'm behind you 100%. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Very interested to see what will happen. Very interested to see what will happen. Let's go. This news events hasn't shaked things a lot. That's the reality of things. We don't have any special movements, but let's be a little bit more patient and see what will happen. Don't forget, my friends, hit the like button if you are enjoying what we are doing over here. My friends, it doesn't cost you anything to support, of course, support us. And if you have already, of course, hit the like button, thank you so much for doing it. Thank you so much. Yorgo says, good day to add swing shorts for me. Okay. Okay, my friend. Okay. I hope that your prediction will be on the right side. Good day to add swing shorts for me. Okay. Let's wait for a Trump sneeze, says Maxi. Should be more action than that news events, exactly. Hello, Pat. Nice to see you, mate. Well, hello. What happened? Tell us. How did your opening scalp went? Tell us. Tell us how it went. Oh, come on, price. Pull back a little bit, please. You must search for longs. Come on. What is Euro USD doing? Okay. What is the dollar doing? Interesting stuff, as always. We need this weekly candle to close above, so this weekly breaker to be invalid. We need this to break. Louis says, I'm hoping for a 0.5, 0.6 fib retracement from the open and then along. Okay, why not? I also love that idea. Of course, I love it. Why not? Pat says, I didn't take the scalp because I double my daily profit before market open, so I'm done for the day. That's the spirit, my friend Pat. Well done. I'm happy that, first of all, you stopped being greedy, and I mean this. Well done, my friend. Well done, and I mean this. Well done. Well done. Awesome. Yeah. Yes, my friend Yorgos, it is public. Yes, this live is public. Of course it is. This is public. Of course it is. It is this is a public live stream for everyone. We also do one, I personally do one private live stream each week where we go through, we add upon, of course, we expand the trading ideas from the Earn As You Learn program, and we go through many stuff. We talk about also some hidden gems that I always enjoy to share with everyone that is interested in DR trading. We go through multiple things and tips and tricks. This is live, although in the public channel, and also my masterclass is free upon YouTube. On this channel is in a playlist of the masterclass. Of course, I have also a mini series in DR trading, of course, and we have multiple things that we share here. Also, my friends, don't forget to support the Sunday report that Bear does each Sunday, informing us for all the upcoming news and what we expect to happen, news-based, of course. Very, very helpful. And we thank Bear for all the time that he puts for us. And stay tuned, my friends, because huge things are coming in TTF. I don't want to reveal anything, but huge things are coming. Huge things. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. I posted on testimonies. Yeah, I can't wait to see, my friend. PGA says, scalping gold short, we had 5-minute equal highs. Okay. On gold. Let's see. Equal highs, equal lows, you mean? Scalping short. Okay, I hope it plays out, my friend. I hope. Although gold is looking quite bullish today, I would prefer to see a deeper pullback and, of course, to trade towards the direction of the day. Monica says, I watch Bear Sunday report and read the PDFs. They help me stay informed. Yes. It's better. Many times it can be better than Bloomberg. Trust me. Because don't forget that the big news channels, even on YouTube, and the public channels on TV, they are a little bit guided. The information that Bear gives us is for sure doesn't has any, how can I say it? We don't have any guidance from anyone. G-Drum says, Alex, do you have one-of-one Zoom mentorship? No, my friend, we don't have, of course, any, we don't do one-to-ones. We don't provide one-to-ones in TTF. Of course, if you want me to help you, if you are a member of TTF, you can pin me and tag me, and of course it will be my pleasure to help you as much as I can. Pat says, I took a long before going to be last night on GBP USD for the Asian market and close out when I woke up the next morning and bagged 50 pips. My biggest pip trade ever. 50 pips. Wow. Huge trade. Huge, 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 huge. Maxi says, you don't believe how often this happened to me. Alex's eyes are magical. You know how. You know what I do. Trade closed and done for the day. Okay, perfect, mate. Perfect. Well done, my friend. Well done. I'm happy that it played out. Well done. Well done. Okay. Price is retracing. I love what I'm seeing. I won't lie to you guys. Because as price has pulled back even more, we will still have the probabilities for a green box. Remember what the green box will be. This means that the closing price will be above the opening price that is down here. So we will have 70% probabilities that price is going to confirm long, and we will have the room to do it. Oh, okay. Yeah. When Alex is looking at the market like that, you know that the idea you have will most likely not play out. Not financial advice. No, now you saw that PGA's trade played out. Of course, it was a scalp. I believe that's why it played out. That's why it played out, because it was a scalp. Yes, now I understood, Maxi, what you said. Indeed. Jazniol says, I finished London. We are waiting to see what will happen in New York. Well, the most thankful, the most great thing that is happening today is that, my friends, we are not seeing the usual first hour consolidation. Price is moving today, something very, very good. We had a lot of sessions to see this. I'm very curious to see what will happen, to be honest. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Maxi says, when we don't retrace this full move from the open, I'm very interested in bullish action. Yes, I'm also interested. I really want price to close above the opening price. Let's see what will happen. Todd says, new here. Where can I find more info about your strategy? YouTube or TTF website? Specifically, my beloved friend, I have, of course, the masterclass that I did here in the public YouTube of TTF. And of course, I have done a mini series upon my DRIDR strategy. But if you are a member of TTF, my beloved friend, you will go to the section of Discord, live recordings. Over there, you will find my name, Alex, and you will see a playlist of over 3 years of live streams. Almost all of them are around DRIDR concepts. Of course, if, as I said, you are a member of TTF, you can find in the pinned messages of Fractal Frenzy, you will find, my beloved friend, the 2 summarized videos that I did upon the strategy. That, of course, is all the information that I have given for so much time in 2 videos, almost 2 videos. And of course, if you are not a member of TTF, don't forget to check, link in the description, trdfloor.com, my friend. trdfloor.com. Monica says to Maxi, from what I remember in TTF education, each field retracement has its level of probability strength of continuation. Yes, you are right, Monica. although based also upon the concept of premium and discount, the continuation is more powerful when price exceeds the 0.5 fib retracement. Why? Because below the 0.5 towards the golden zone and the 0.68 fib retracement, all these levels are in discount. So this means that we have high probabilities that we will see a continuation. Of course, don't forget, nothing is fact. And we are playing a probability game. Well, okay. Curious to see what will happen. Very, very curious to see what will happen. We have 15 more minutes for the DR box to complete. Maxi says, I don't know these exact probabilities for a fib, but when drawing a fib anywhere, these shouldn't be too great. Okay. Monica says exactly so. A weak retracement could mean a weak continuation, could get stuck in consolidation, but time will tell. Yes, for sure, for sure. That's why it is the most wise thing to do when we are trying to trade a fib retracement is to take profit when price will create a new higher high or lower low. So if I took this fib retracement, for example, from this leg, because here price pushed, pulled back, went up. So if I drew a fib from here and took this 0.4 level, for example, the most wise thing that I should do, or anyone should do, was to take, of course, profits at a new high. Of course, this is not an advice. It is the logical thing and the logical target that anyone must place. Why? Because remember, price moves in waves. This means that price goes up, pulls back, goes up, pulls back, goes up, pulls back, and the fundamentals of the markets say to us that price will create either a lower low or a higher high. Okay, you see, it's very interesting what happened over here. Price broke, respected this New York DR level from the upper side. Now we have seen that it has broken it again. Pushed over here, tried to break it, but it wasn't able to break it. Let's see if it will happen now. Because if it will happen now, then we'll have huge probabilities that price is going to continue up. Huge probabilities that price fibs are great in combination with other analysis to find important levels for retracement. Okay. Yes, I agree. An expansion of 0.1 happens very frequently as well, but the old high-low is the best option. Pat says, hoping it will push back up. Well, it's, as we'll probably see, it's going to push, probably. It's going to push. We love to see price pushing. And for some reason, in my career, in my trading career, the most trades that I have taken is, my friends, longs. It is a statistic that comes with me. I take more longs. Maybe the patterns that I identify work much more better on the long side. I don't know why, or because the indices are overall bullish, probably. Interesting. Longs work better than shorts. Yes, in my from my stats, yes, for some reason I don't know why. Maxi says it's the easiest thing you can do in order to gain an edge right away. Longs are 53% in general, shorts only 47%. So more days are bullish than bearish. Specifically, of course, for indices, I believe Maxi. Yes, yes, I trust him too for sure. I trust him also, my friend Pat, for sure. He knows what he's saying. Many times he knows exactly what he's saying. Oh, for NQ, okay. Well, of course, it is. This is logical because, as we said, indices in general are in an uptrend. So this means that it is logical that we will have a bigger percentage from the long side. Okay, it broke it from the upside. Now we want to see support at this level. If I was pattern trading, I would love this as an entry. Price broke this bearish supply by a tick, so this means that this would be our breaker. Of course, I don't know if I would enter because it would have a huge stop loss. But this can be a logic how we can look at the markets. Now markets are pushing again. Low. Weird stuff. Let's see. Let's see what will happen. Let's see. Is this level going to hold or not? It is what I tested. Okay, perfect. But I'm pretty sure for indices in general. Okay, yes. I also believe that it is a general rule of thumb. Because especially yes is for sure the continuation of because of the correlation that they have between them. For sure, whatever is for NQ will be for sure for yes. I hope it holds. Well, me too, my friends. Me too. Me too. I hope it will also hold. I won't lie to you that I'm monitoring to take my longs. Although I would like 8 minutes more for the DR box to complete so I can have also the statistic of the 1 hour on my side on the first hour. Of course, we have the statistics from the first half an hour, the edge of the opening half an hour candle. We have this edge with us. So adding also the edge from the first hour of the session can also be very, very powerful. In order for this trade to be in this trade, we must for sure have been very passive. But you see that eventually it held. Some need to drop says have a good day, Monica. Have a good day, my friend. Thanks for joining. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. Thank you. It means a lot for joining. Thank you so much. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Let's see what will happen. Seeing tensions that wants to go up. I hope that we won't regret that we didn't enter. I tested this for yes now. Bullish day probability for 53.95, 54% bearish day probability. 45.10% are neutral. Oh no, 45.1.10%. Okay, and around 1% are neutral and unchanged days. So there is an edge around 8% in favor of bullish days compared to bearish. And this works for other sessions as well. Okay. You see, I can't believe, Maxi, that we are doing this discussion with together. 26 years of data just for reference. I can't believe that we are discussing something like this together. And we are not talking about cockroach encroachments. Oh, my wife, thank you. I love you so much. She bring me my espresso. I love her so much. She supports me so much. Ah, çok güzel, çok güzel. Çok. Gonna be back in 20 minutes. Okay. No worries, my friend Algo 2.0. Thank you. I believe over here that I will be around for the next 20 minutes. Because I also must go. We have some errands to do with the kids. But the ETHs of cockroach encroachments are so important. Else we don't have enough levels. Yeah, okay. Well, some of the level of the cockroach encroachment will react. So I can't understand where the edge is truly in this. Algo says gonna pick up my card from the service. Okay. I hope they fixed it, my friend. And I hope that your service at your car didn't cost you a lot. Because if you go to expensive services shops, they can take off your scalp. They can take off your scalp. Okay. I believe it's time for price to fly. What do you guys believe? In a little bit, this box is going to be green. In a little bit. Maxi says the more ICT taught, the more levels he introduced. It will be interesting when he's splitting fair value gaps in 100 parts. Trust me, because I understand him, my friend Maxi. I don't believe that he doesn't have discovered something, but because he has the need in order to the YouTube revenue to continue, he needs to introduce new things. What will new things do? Will make the ICT fanatics to watch his videos multiple times. So he must invent new things. This is how the game is played. Take an example from me. I began teaching to all of you in TTF about the DRIDR. My teachings almost kept for 1 year. After the 1 year, I needed to introduce something new to you guys, so I can gain your interest again. So I understand our friend ICT, but for sure his purpose is not to clear things even more. He does this to try to convince everyone that he knows exactly what's happening on the markets and that the aliens give him the code of the algorithm. And also he needs, and if we see it from another perspective, of course, he needs to produce multiple videos because he needs to get paid from YouTube. And trust me, a guy that has over 2 million subscribers and all his videos have over 500,000 views, trust me, the salary is very, very good after taxes. I would really like to see it start moving up with conviction. Well, I hope so also. Okay, the box is green. The probability is that this high will be broken for 70% is for 70%. I'm sure that it's going to go. It's so close that it will for sure get broken. But this is a statistic of the box. We must not ignore it. We have two confirmations from the half-hour opening range edge, also from the 1 hour DRIDR, that we for sure are going to continue up. Now, at which point we are going, no one knows. That's why we were going to search for our long trades. Okay. Of course he has. His teachings aren't bad at all, but he's going so much into details that people forget the basics. Exactly. I agree 2000%. And this is something you do completely different. You always focus on the basics and add some stuff here and there. Yeah, because I also had the problem of analysis paralysis. Remember, my background is SMC. And over there, we overcomplicated things so much that it was very hard for me to make decisions. That's why I understood quickly that simplicity is the key in trading, not complexity. It won't make me a better trader if I know exactly the 0.75 level of a fair value gap. Okay, I must have the confidence that when price is at the 0.75 level of a fair value gap, that's going to react. That will make me a real trader. And that can be only proven from data, of course. Yeah, I think what times he has, people are dedicating their lives to. I mean, I did as well. I know. I just found something that can be much easier with real data because of your help. I'm so happy, my friend, that I'm part of your journey, and I mean this. I'm so happy that I was able to help you as much as I could. Trust me, you are in the best path of your trading career, and I mean this. This is the path you must follow to be a real professional trader. Okay, let's see what will happen. Very curious. Although price decided to stop moving for some reason, it is now because we are preparing to trade. The market is afraid of us. It's probably afraid of us because I talked about the cockroach encroachment. Okay. Push, please. Very nice. Let's go. Let's go, price. See you fly. Oh no. No, 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 no. What happened? Who sneezed? Who sneezed? What is this? Who sneezed? And you did help a lot. My pleasure, my friend. My pleasure. And I mean this. My pleasure. My pleasure. Mm-hmm. Come on. What is this? Let me enable Fractal Frenzy. Okay. That could be our early in entry. Although I don't trust price for some reason. See you, mate. Thank you. See you. I'm walking away now. Got to one good trade in today, which was a win. Perfect. And I took one loss, which was totally fine as well. Now with a new high being in, the probabilities for another one decrease. I'm so happy for you, mate. I'm so happy. And I mean this. Continue the amazing job. Got to run. Good luck with the trade. I didn't take a trade, my friend Luis. Where did volume go? It was so nice and now it's flat again. Yeah, so true, so true. These days are rough for trading. Yeah, there is. Now that we expect so much volume, nothing is going around. Catch up with you on Thursday. Yes, 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 my friend. Yes. See you all. See you on Thursday. See you on Thursday. See you on Thursday. Really, really, price is very, very weird. I won't lie to you. Of course, we didn't have a confirmation. We only have the confirmation of the edge that price is going to take this high. Very, very weird price action. Very weird. Must be so, so careful, my friends. So, so careful. That's why we would like to have the room. So if we had the room to take this high, it will be a really nice early trade. Under certain conditions, for sure. Yes. Don't forget that we don't execute blindly. We always wait certain things to happen. Price decide to pull back again. Let's see. It's so annoying when we are not able to take any trades. I mean this. It can be very annoyed, but for sure we are not over here to show to all of you bad habits. We don't trade like this, and I don't want to be something fake just to show you me taking trades everywhere without no purpose, no plan. This is not the purpose of these live streams. The purpose of these live streams is to make you all think like professional traders only and not think like gamblers. And I mean this. We don't want anyone to have the gambler mentality. Well, let's be patient a little bit more. See 10 more minutes what will happen. And I'm going to call it a day. Unfortunately, we weren't able to take any trades. At least for now. And I don't believe that something is going to change drastically in the next two candles. So we will be careful for sure in our decisions. Has anyone else took any other trades, my friends? Let's see. Come on, price. Hold. Hold because we must trade towards the upside. Hold. I really can't understand how my chat has been translated for why. Why is this doing this? What happened to the market? Look at GBP USD. What and did Taco say again? Whoa. Okay. Okay. What is this? Okay. Does this something remind you guys? It is a random line on my charts. And to give you all a spoiler, this was my prediction. This was my prediction, my beloved friends, from my previous Thursday live stream that I did for the community. Okay. And to clear the puzzle, it was based on a trade idea from the honors you learn. Okay, price is going back hard. That's the reality. It is pushing hard. Who knows? Who knows what he said again? Who knows? I don't. I didn't check. Okay, yes. Also, we had this reaction on DXY. Also, who knows? Let me check Twitter to see if he said anything. I don't believe that he said anything, to be honest. He probably coughed. Okay. We had an announcement from the White House that the prices on fuel will go down. From Mr. Bloomberg, Iran's supreme leader Khamenei is in Iran but is refraining from making public appearances. Russian envoy. Nothing other special. Okay. Mrs. Lagarde warns Iran impact will last clashes with us. ECB President Christine Lagarde challenged US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent's view that the Iran's war economic impact will be short-lived, warning damage to energy infrastructure will have lasting effects. Well, okay. Nothing special for now, at least. Nothing special. Well, my friends, let's wrap it up. I don't believe that we have anything else for now. I'm not interested in this certain condition to take for now any trades. I would for sure like to see a bullish confirmation that we didn't see, of course. But this doesn't mean that the probabilities aren't with us. I will probably search again, try to find any longs. But for now, I don't like that price broke this New York DR level again. We will be over here to see what will happen. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining. It means a lot for me and for TTF that you are supporting us so much. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. See you all in the private live stream on Thursday. And of course, publicly, again, New York Open on Friday. Thank you all for joining. Have a nice day. Thank you for supporting me so much. Thank you, my friends. See you all publicly on Friday, and you guys from TTF, see you all on Thursday, my friends. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.